This Instagram account is becoming very viral these days. As you can see, all their videos have more than 1 million views. Here we have a video with 17 million views, and I'm going to teach you how to create a video very similar to this one. So let's see it. And this is the video that we're going to do. So first of all, we need to go to novoads.ai, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and well, here as you can see, I was making this tutorial. So well, now we have to go to the image section, and here we are going to paste the following prompt. Now go to settings, and here we need to change the model to GPT-Image 2, then the quality to medium. This because it's much cheaper than the high quality, and the quality in medium is really good. And now we have to click this button. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 1 minute for the images. Perfect. Here we have the images, and personally I like this one. So we have to click here where it says use as a start frame. And now here where it says describe your video, we have to paste the following prompt. This is going to be in the comment section as well as the other prompt. So now we have to go to settings, and in settings we are going to use the Clink 3 model. Now in duration we are going to use 10 seconds, and now we have to click this button. Finally click in generate, and now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot. The video looks really cute, and personally I like it more than the original video. So if you want to do a video like this one, the prompts are going to be in the comment section, and you can try novoads for just $1. And then if you don't like it, you can cancel anytime. So after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.